Good morning, student. Yesterday, I have assigned you a test. Hope you have completed the test. Now, I am telling you the answer of yesterday test. My question first is in the adjoining figure. In figure, you are given a graph of polynomial, and you have to tell how many zero this polynomial has. The graph is like this, and the graph of polynomial px. How many zero this px has? For this, the method is to seek the zero is कि how many points does the graph intersect x axis. ये ग्राफ x एक्सिस को कितने पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है उतने ही नंबर ऑफ जीरोस हो जाते हैं. तो दिस ग्राफ इंटरसेक्ट x axis only one point. So this px has graph has 1 0. So this is written in a part. So A option is correct. Question 2. How many zero can a polynomial of degree n have? I have earlier told जितनी डिग्री होती है पॉलिनोमियल की उतने ही जीरोस आते हैं. तो डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज n. So the polynomial has n zero and is written in C part. Third is if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is -3, you have to find the value of k. The polynomial is k minus 1x square plus kx plus 1, and the zeros is -3. 0 means value of x, and value of x when you put in polynomial the answer is 0. So 0 को polynomial पे रखने पर polynomial का आंसर 0 हो जाता है. तो I will substitute x in polynomial and make the answer equals to 0. K minus 1, x is -3. K, x is -3 plus 1 and the answer is 0. Now solve this. K minus 1, minus 3 square is 9. Minus 3 into k is minus 3k plus 1 equals to 0. Here open the bracket. 9 into k 9k minus 9 plus minus you will carry minus sign plus 1 equals to 0. 9k minus 3k 6k minus 9 plus 1 it is minus 8 is 0. Now shift minus 8 to right side, it becomes plus 8. Then k equals to 8 upon 6, it is 4 upon 3. And 4 upon 3 is written in A part. So answer of question 3 is A part. Now fourth question, the sum and product of zeros of polynomial respectively are. So in this question 4, the polynomial is 9x square minus 5. For finding the alpha plus beta, that is sum of zeros and alpha into beta product of 0, you have to write the coefficient of polynomial. X square coefficient is A. X coefficient is B. X term is not mentioned here, so B is 0. And C is constant term, it is minus 5. So alpha plus beta is minus B upon A. The formula is alpha plus beta is minus B upon A. That means sum of 0. Alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Minus B is 0, A is 9, it is 0. And alpha beta product में find करना है. Formula is C upon A. C is minus 5 and A is 9. So sum 0 and product minus 5 upon 9, it is written in D part. So D part is correct. The fifth question, the quadratic polynomial whose sum of 0 is 3 and product is minus 2. Sum of 0 means alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is given 3 and product means alpha into beta is minus 2. When sum and product of polynomial is given, then to find the polynomial there is a formula, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Now write the value of alpha plus beta, it is 3x, and alpha into beta it is minus 2. it is x square minus 3x. In plus and minus sign you will carry minus sign. So this is the answer, x square minus 3x minus 2. It is written in D part. So D part is correct. Now sixth question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, you have to find alpha plus beta. Now question is, given polynomial is x square plus x plus 1. For finding the alpha plus beta, you have to write the coefficient of polynomial. First coefficient a, which is a coefficient of x square. x square का factor है कुछ नहीं तो 1. b is coefficient of x, that is also 1. c is constant term, that is also 1. For finding the alpha plus beta, formula is minus b upon a. Write the value of b, write the value of a, it is minus 1. So alpha plus beta is minus 1, which is written in a part. So a part is correct. So these are the 6 MQ which I have given in yesterday test, and I am telling, I have told the answer of all of these. तो उसको अपनी कॉपी में मैच करिए. That's all for today. Thank you.